Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is basically for the resources which I am using for my preparation. That will be our discussion of today. Um, I am going to tell you about the resources topic wise. If you want to syllabus wise resources, then please do comment on comment section. I will make a video regarding that. You all know that there are some major and minor topics uh, in statics. Today I will tell you about the major topics resources. Let's start. For First of all, for history. You know that there are three areas in history: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. For ancient history, you can go for R.S. Sharma. That is enough for ancient history. You can make a note for that. Uh, then for medieval history, Bipin Chandra is quite good for medieval history. And for modern history, you can refer spectrum, as you all know about the spectrum. That is good enough for modern history. So you can refer that. After that, let's come to polity. For polity, you all know about Lakshmikant. That book is enough for polity. But according to me, M. Lakshmikant is quite enough for prelims. But for mains, you can refer D.D. Basu. If you have time, then you can refer both M. Lakshmikant and D.D. Basu. If you have less time, then you can go only for M. Lakshmikant. That will be enough. Then come to economics. For economics, Ramesh Singh. But I think Ramesh Singh will be bulky. So if you have time, then go for Ramesh Singh. That is enough. But you have don't enough time, then first read NCERT, 11, 12 NCERT. Then you can refer Sriram IS books or notes. Both are good, so you can refer to that. Then come to environment. For environment, Shankar IS book is enough for environment. You can refer to that, and the questions are coming from current affairs. First you can refer Shankar IS, then you can rely on current affairs. For geography, go for 11th and 12th NCERT. Both are quite enough for geography. But if you want to boost more knowledge, then you can refer Gcilium. But if you have time, then go for Gcilium because it is bulky. Otherwise you can rely on 11th and 12th NCERT only. Then for science and tech, science and tech questions are coming from current affairs. If you belong from science background, then you can rely only on current affairs. If you are not, then read NCERTs from 6th to 10th. Then do the current affairs. These books are basically for statics. For current affairs, read one newspaper daily. It's mandatory. You can go for the Hindu or Indian Express. Take the Hindu and Indian Express. Read them. If you like the Hindu, then go for the Hindu. If you like Indian Express, then go for Indian Express. You can choose any of that. Both are good. But I am studying the Hindu. Uh, you can do any of on that. Okay. uh, if you want to make the notes for current affairs, you can make it, or you can use any monthly compilation. You can only read the newspaper, and in the month end you can revise from a monthly compilation. Okay. So the video is now going to end. If you want me to cover syllabus wise resources, then you can comment me on the comment section. I will make a video of that. So for now, bye bye.